Happy birthday, right?
Nice. Made it to our room. I am exhausted. Like, I'm so tired that it's superseding my hunger right now. Like, I think we're gonna go get some gyros, and me, I'm just like, I'd rather eat my pillow. I'm just so tired. But let me do a really quick room tour, because I know once I get settled in here, it's not gonna look like this anymore. Quick little room tour before we go get some food. This is like the entryway. Nice little like closet system. I'm definitely gonna be utilizing all of the hangers and space in here, because I am an unpack kind of girl. Even though we're only here for like 2 nights, I'm probably gonna unpack my entire suitcase. This way is the bathroom, which is a lot more spacious than I was expecting. It has a cute little window that overlooks like the exterior of the hotel. It's just really pretty.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go to the restaurant here in the hotel.
Okay.
Just letting you know.
Okay.
Hi!
And this is basically the whole room. We have a bed, we have nightstands, we have a little desk that you're sitting on. We also have a nice view and a patio. And that's pretty much the room. I think we're gonna get food in the hotel instead of going to get gyros, which is cool because we don't have to do too much traveling to get there. I'm so tired, you guys. I cannot even put into words. I'm exhausted. Welcome to my first official day here in Santorini. I'm still a little bit tired. We had a full day's travel yesterday, and I think I forget how exhausting traveling is. Like, long flights are exhausting within themselves, because even though you go to sleep, you're not getting good quality sleep. Like, you can sleep for 6 hours and you really not feel good about it. Anyways, I forgot what I was saying. I'm just really tired, and I'm trying to convince myself that I'm not, even though I am. I got like 12 hours or so of sleep, and it's just not cutting it. It's really not cutting it. But I went to go get breakfast this morning. They have a really nice buffet here, which was so lovely because you don't really have to think about breakfast. Like, I got there right at 8 a.m. It was beautiful, lovely, nice. I sat out on like the little patio area. We are going on a catamaran boat ride this morning, so I need to get dressed and ready for that. Also do some makeup really quickly. So that is what I'm gonna do. To anyone wondering, my Calpet case held up pretty nicely. I was kind of worried because it's so much stuff, and like, it's not really padded, so I wasn't sure if things were gonna break, but it seems like everything is in its original condition. It's so heavy though. This literally came out to be 10 pounds worth of skincare and makeup. Quick change in plans. We're gonna go to a winery. As someone who doesn't even like wine, I told them I'd go with them. Outfit of the day. It's so hot and so bright. Can't really see anything. But our hotel is so cutie. Hello ladies. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the vlog. Good morning. First wine. This one's called water.
So there's big different kind because more aromatic. You can find flowers like jasmine, orange flowers. like this.
It kind of looks like teriyaki sauce.
Can you take a raisin? Finally made it back to our room. I'm unwell. I have on a sweater dress, basically, a two-piece sweater. The wine was okay. I don't like wine. I don't like alcohol, so this is of no surprise. If you like wine, you should probably go to a winery if you come here. But we need to change, or I guess I need to change, because now we're going on the boat ride, and I need to have on a swimsuit or something. Definitely not a sweater. Oh my God. Beach bag. K-Skin SPF that I'll probably put on when we get there. I'm too hot to be doing this right now. More SPF. Goes over makeup. I'm gonna bring this for fun. I don't know if I actually put some on, but cute glow oil. And some goldfish for a snack. Okay, let's go to the water. Okay, 30. Sitting inside because it's so hot on the boat. I think because we're going slower, there isn't so much of a breeze. I was literally out there melting and I'm just not, I can't do it. So I'm sitting inside now. Some of the boat operators are cooking us dinner, so it smells nice too. They have a grill and everything.
Once we get in, once we get out, we can start from here. Side from forward.
Between me and you, I'm exhausted. I want to get in bed and I wanted to sleep the night away. But we just got back from the boat, which was an amazing experience. I feel like it ran a little longer than we were expecting because I think it goes until sunset. So I guess it depends on whatever time sun sets. But we're going to get dinner. I'm not even hungry. I'm too sleepy to be having room for food in my stomach. But I'm going to go for the plot. And then they want to go out. I'm gonna go to that also for the plot, but I'm exhausted. There's nothing left in me. I'm pretty much leaving my bathing suit top and the shirt on, put on some jeans. I'm too tired. I can't, there's no other words for me to say. I'm too tired, so. And I think this camera's gonna die. Yep, it's dying. Just got the notification. See ya at dinners. I'm so tired last night. I was already not wanting to go out, and I was like, let me just press through, do it for the plot. I did it. We got home at like 2:45. I danced on a bar, which I don't know how we got there. Actually, I do. I was joking when we first went out. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna dance on a table. You know, I don't really know why I said that. I've never done that ever, but I just said it jokingly. But then every bar that we went in actually had people doing that. So at the very last one we went to, we were standing next to the bar. There were maybe like 4 women up there already. And Jalen was like, just do it, just do it. And then I was like, I'm not doing it by myself. So I'm trying to convince someone to do it with me. They're like, no. And I'm like, I'm literally not doing this by myself. The girls up there saw all of this commotion to the point where they started reaching down for me. And I was like, oh my God, dang it. Now I have to commit to the bit for real, because I can't be shamed out here. If I say no, then what? So I went up there, convinced my cousin to also come up there. It was a good time. Now I need to get dressed because we're going to, I forget the name. I don't know how to pronounce it. I know what the name is, but I don't know how to pronounce it. But I'm trying to figure out what I want to wear. It's been so hot here, which I knew it was going to be warm. I keep saying it like this. I knew the sun was going to be out, but I didn't know it was going to be hot, if that makes sense. Like, it is toasty, like really, really, really hot. I both feel like I packed a lot, like overpacked, but then also didn't pack enough. I think because, I don't know if I've already mentioned, but we hired a travel agent to like plan this trip and like book hotels and like little excursions. But we have off days everywhere we go, but we didn't plan that stuff out. So I feel like I just brought outfits without knowing what we're going to go do. So now that I'm looking at the vibe of this place we're headed, I'm like, I don't know if I have anything to really wear there, but I guess it's neither here nor there because that's what we have to do. Okay, I'm gonna figure out something to wear. I guess I'll come back fully ready to go. Okay guys, I officially have the name. This is called Iya. It's a little town in Santorini. How are we doing today?
Just still trying to wake up, get it together. Late night, early mornings. It's just a lot.
You would think she came out with this last night, you guys.
But I'm tired. I feel like I was out with them last night.
I had to bring breakfast to her room.
And I was so grateful. If it was the other way around, I would have done the same for her.
Except it wasn't the other way around because I get up in the morning. I don't think anyone knows I'm even recording.
It's great. You eat it with the sauce on there? Oh yeah, you know,
It's been a very long day. What is that noise? Someone's like ringing one of those like bells. I don't know the significance, but it's been a long day being in the sun. We went to, I forgot how to pronounce it again, Iya. We went to Iya, which is a cute little town. It was just scorching hot, so I feel like that took everything out of me. We spent a few hours there, got some food, and then we came back here and then went back to Fair, something. It's like a little shopping area. They have a lot of really cute stores. Some of them can be quite pricey and expensive, but it's fun to like look around and just find little random things. I think my mom got some magnets. I didn't get anything. Oh, I did get some cheesecake, 2 different kinds. But now I'm debating if I want to get in the pool. I've been wanting to go swimming because it just seems like a nice thing to do. We spend so much of our day in the sun. It would just be nice to get in the pool. But the sun has already gone down, so everyone's like, oh no, I'm not getting in anymore. And I'm like, boo. They're like, oh, I'll come and sit and put my feet in. Put your feet in? No. Jalen won't go swimming with me.
I will go to the pool with her.
See?
I just don't want to get in. So...
No, why is that the best everyone can offer up? I'll go with you. So I'm just gonna go to the pool anyways and eat some cheesecake by myself. This is not cheesecake. It's our last day in Santorini. Spent the morning packing all of my suitcases, all 3 of those, all me. And I still feel like I didn't pack enough clothes. But anyways, we're headed to the next city today. We're gonna take a ferry over there. It's kind of crazy because I feel like we've done so much here in Santorini that I feel like the trip is over. But we're literally about to redo this, not once, but twice. Because after we go to the next city, we're going to another city. So this is like too much to even wrap my brain around. Today is also Jalen's birthday. I don't know if I ever mentioned that. This was like his birthday trip, but his actual birthday is today. So we went out last night, also really tired from that. We did another like 3 a.m. morning, came home, showered, did all that kind of thing. So I'm just a tired girl, but we're having a good time. Just wanted to do a little brief recap before we head to the next city because I'm gonna do another video for that one. But hopefully this has been fun. Thanks for hanging out with me. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.